Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a lip syncing video using AI. So I'm just going to go to the AI voiceover. You can also do AI transcription. Actually, no, it's AI voiceover. And then here, you're going to select new voiceover. And then press next. Press next here. Okay, can I... Okay, cool. So here I'm just going to ask AI to write, let's do TikTok and then video script. Write a video script about maybe like traveling or something like that. And then here you can see that there's the voiceovers and you can maybe select more voiceovers here. I'll just stick with this for this time. And then you're just going to press generate. Hello? Why can I not generate? Okay, and just press enter. I guess it's going to write and then you're able to generate. And then once it's become an audio, you can go to this website and then you can go to lip sync here. I don't have premium, so I don't know how I'm going to go about this, but you're just going to put the audio and the image in here. So pick a face image or upload a face video. And then you are going to get that audio. Where is it? I thought I generated. Okay, you're going to get that audio, or you can even import your own audio, and then you're going to select generate and then you're going to add the audio. But that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.